How do I program my TV remote without a code?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to program your TV remote without a code. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you have a new TV remote but don't have the specific code to program it? Don't worry, because in this video, we will explore some alternative methods to program your TV remote without a code. Let's get started.
Using automatic code search.
One method you can try is using the automatic code search feature on your TV remote. Most modern TV remotes have this feature, which allows the remote to scan through a database of codes until it finds the correct one for your TV. Here's how you can use this feature. 1. Turn on your TV and point the remote towards it. 2. Press and hold the Setup or Code Search button on your remote. This button is typically located at the top or side of the remote. 3. Keep holding the button until the LED indicator on the remote starts flashing or remains lit. 4. Press the TV button on your remote to ensure you're programming it for your television. 5. Use the Channel Up or Channel Down buttons to initiate the code search. Keep pressing the button repeatedly until the TV turns off. Once the TV turns off, press the Setup or Code Search button again to save the code. Your TV remote should now be programmed and ready to use.
Trying the brand search method.
If the automatic code search doesn't work, another method you can attempt is the brand search method. This method relies on finding the correct code based on the TV's brand. Follow these steps. 1. Turn on your TV and point the remote towards it. 2. Press and hold the Setup or Code Search button on your remote. 3. Keep holding the button until the LED indicator on the remote starts flashing or remains lit. 4. Enter the code for your TV's brand using the number buttons on the remote. If you don't know the code, a quick online search can usually provide you with a list of codes for different TV brands. 5. Press the Power button on the remote to test if the code is correct. If the TV turns off, you've found the correct code. If not, repeat steps 2 to 4 with a different code until you find the right one. After you've found the correct code, press the Setup or Code Search button again to save it. Your TV remote should now be programmed with the specific code for your TV brand.
Contacting the manufacturer.
If the previous methods didn't work or you're still having trouble finding the correct code, it may be worth contacting the manufacturer of your TV or the remote. They can provide you with a specific code or guide you through the programming process. Check the manufacturer's website or contact their customer support to get the assistance you need. They will often have dedicated resources available to help customers with programming their remotes. That wraps up our video on how to program your TV remote without a code. We've explored the automatic code search method, the brand search method, and the option of contacting the manufacturer for assistance. Remember, these methods may vary depending on the make and model of your remote, so it's always a good idea to consult the user manual or online resources specific to your remote if you encounter any difficulties. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.